Hey there, mindful declutterers. Um, in the series on the costs of clutter, we'll be covering what it costs you in terms of energy, what it costs you in terms of money, what it costs you in terms of time. I have some really amazing statistics about how much time is wasted. And you think that just because I had to take 5 minutes to find that thing, that's not really a big deal. And time adds up. I have a chart that I use in telling people how time adds up when they're decluttering, which is the good way that time adds up. But the time data is the same. What if you spend 5 minutes a day looking for something because it's underneath something else, or you don't remember where you put it? You know you put it in a logical place, but there's three logical places. Type logical place if that's ever happened to you. It always turns up in a perfectly logical place. Oh, that's so funny. If you spend 5 minutes daily looking for something, not only are you going to feel frustrated, but that is 35 minutes a week. And get this, folks, 2 hours and 20 minutes a month that you've spent looking for things. And that's only 5 minutes. I mean, if you spend 15 minutes regularly looking for things, that's going to cost you an hour and 45 minutes in a week and 7 hours and 30 minutes a month. So don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss anything in this Cost of Clutter series. I'm Pam Holland of Mindful Decluttering and Organizing, and I look forward to seeing you next time.